From online shops to in-store purchases, I want to educate the youth by becoming young entrepreneurs by reselling products that increase income by reselling shoes or streetwear. From beginners to advanced reselling methods, I show you ways to make money from the comfort of your chair to early morning grinding sessions. Join me into living a reseller lifestyle.
What is up, everyone? My name is Izzy, and today we're bringing you episode 2 on how to become a reseller. So pretty much, guys, the basics of this video is pretty much going to be the overall view of what I think a successful reseller is going to be, as well as the things that you're going to need. So first things first, guys, I just want to talk about networking. I believe networking is very important when it comes to not just even any job, but anything that you do. Nowadays, you don't even need a certificate or some type of associate degree or something like that, just the people who you know. Unfortunately, with me, guys, I've been really blessed to have a lot of friends of mine who do work at certain stores. I'm not gonna say anyone who, but just know that I am available to have that information of inventory. So with that being said, guys, it's very important to communicate and meet new people, and then do each other favors and stuff like that, because I noticed that, you know, throughout time and stuff, I did a lot of favors for a lot of people, and then in return they helped me out, so it works out good, you know. And then regards to networking, you're probably gonna ask, well, how do I network? Well, networking is pretty simple, guys. Pretty much, you know, go to these sneaker conventions, meet new people, get people's Instagram stuff. Like I said, you know, my Instagram page is called SellSneakerz. You know, that's how I broadcast myself or my brand, so I can get it out there. And then that's how I get new clientele as well. So it's very important to just do that. Get out of your comfort zone, meet new people, get connected, and then from there you just meet more people in that process. Another thing that I would think would be a good idea was invest in a bot. I know, you know, bots are not always successful, but I'll make a separate video about the bots that I think is the best ones. But my personal opinion is, right now, I think that CyberSoul and NSB and Eve are the top 3 as of right now. I've been in NSB for a couple of months, probably when they first started releasing again. Lately, I just haven't had the motivation too much to record such things, because I feel like a lot of people don't actually have NSB. I like doing live cops using NSB, so that's always a plus. So for example, today was the Crimson Ones. I wasn't able to necessarily do a live cop. I know I did make a recordings, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. And unfortunately, I didn't cop anything live, but I was able to catch stuff on the restock. I was able to get Full Locker kid sizes, grade schools and stuff, which I got, I think, 4 or 5 pairs online. And then in store, I was able to get 6 men's, and then I believe 7 grade schools. I can't remember. I just got back from work, actually. I actually work a 9-to-5 job, which is a separate thing that I recommend you doing, guys. And that's the other thing I want to talk about, is saving your money. If you guys don't have a girlfriend or have any type of purpose of paying any type of bill, start from the get-go and just start young. Save your money, and I'm telling you right now, that will take you a long way. I'm able to purchase 14, 20 pairs at a time due to the fact that I save my money and I invest it, whether it's in stocks, my other businesses that I own, or just making profit off reselling shoes. I'm telling you guys, I know a couple of people that actually do this for a living. I think it's very possible as long as you stay dedicated. For example, I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning. I even put it on my, I'll put in a little video right now showing you guys, but it was pretty much on my Snapchat. I forgot to bring my camera with me. I wanted to make a vlog, but I totally forgot because I was just so tired. I literally got maybe 2 hours of sleep. I slept at 2 a.m., woke up at 4. And then on that, you know, that's my mission and my grind, you know, just to get to the stores, be the first one. Like they say, you know, if you're not the first, then you're last. And I honestly take that into consideration and heart. I do believe that if you have that mindset into making money, whether it's $40 profit, $50 profit, or even more, it doesn't matter. You know, that little money is going to make a difference. And think about it. You know, that $40, $50 profit that you're making, you know, someone is working pretty hard for that money. For example, a lot of teenagers who are in high school or whatever, I'm 21 by the way, are working, you know, 8.25 jobs or minimum wage jobs, you know. So 8.25, you times that by what, 5, 6? That's like 4 or 5 hours, whatever, worth of, for the $40 profit, you know, and stuff like that. So think about the little things like that, you know. Be humble about the way you come to things too. I notice that a lot of people who are resellers like to flex a lot, and honestly, That's the number one thing that you don't want to do. Don't flex. It's nice to show off the nice things that you have, but be consistent with, and how you treat others too. You're not better than someone else just because you have more money, the clothes that you wear, or the things that you obtain. I like to try to be humble. I like to inspire others to, be young entrepreneurs. That's my overall goal. My brand is just to have that ambition to getting out there. I don't want it just to be a local brand. I want my brand to be known everywhere, whether it's in the UK, Canada, United States, of course, or Mexico or something like that. So, just talking about stuff like that, like, I hope I inspire you guys to make more money or just go out there. Like I said, one of the most priorities into reselling shoes is just, like I said, going to soullinks.com, checking out the shoes that are going to come up, and being on top of that thing. I know some certain stores do first come, first serve, like this morning. They changed it to first come, first serve for the Crimson ones, and I was on top of it. Whether it was men's or grade school, I was just able to get it onto it and then just do it. Then regards to everything else, like I said, like you have the procedures I showed you guys in video part 1. Download the apps. All those foot sites, they tell you the procedures, whether it's first come first serve or it's a raffle. Get your friends to join the raffle, pay them some money to do it. Make them give them some cash. That way, they're not feeling like you're taking them for granted or advantage and stuff like that. You guys all gotta help each other, whether it's one favor or another. It's all about helping each other, and I personally believe that. And I wouldn't be able to do what I do now with the help of the friends that I know and the people that actually support me. Sometimes you gotta pay people off to stand in line and, hey, it's some extra bodies so you have it. Unfortunately, today I was all by myself. I did it solo. You could check out my Instagram page at SellSneakerz. Like I said, I literally got 12 pairs or 9 pairs by myself. So imagine what I could have done if I would have had more people with me. Now, that's just the little things, but as long as I had that heart and motivation for myself to get 9 pairs, that's kind of unheard of. Then 9 pairs in store, and then not even counting the 4 or 5 that I got literally online using NSB, using the restock. So that just says a lot. The other thing I want to talk about is preparation. Make sure you guys get good sleep if you guys plan on going to going to a store and camping out. A lot of people take this stuff serious. I know people that will wait 12 to 14 hours just to get 1 pair of shoe. So it's just like the dedicated people out there who are willing to hustle and stuff and are very money hungry. If you don't have that ambition, then it's not for you and you shouldn't be doing this. But like I said, I want to inspire people to change their mindsets, because I feel like a lot of people, our generation, especially younger ages and stuff, are very lazy. We want things handed to us, and it's not how it works in reality. You want to go get it. So stuff like that, just know what you're doing. Like I said, get some sleep. If you guys are running bots, it is an investment. Don't get me wrong, I probably paid for maybe 6 bots already. CyberSo, Eve, all the best ones you can name. I spent thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands, not hundreds of thousands, I'm sorry, hundreds, thousands, stuff like that. And it's not to flex, it's just I look at that as an investment. I don't look at that as a loss, because if for some reason I decide I don't want the bots anymore, I can actually resell the bots too. There's bot marketplaces you could use, from Discord to marketplaces. Obviously, it's best to do it through a middleman, someone that you actually trust. That way you guys don't get scammed, because I'm not going to lie, maybe 2 years ago I almost got scammed, or I did get scammed. I lost like $800, whatever, for Eve. And unfortunately, I was able to get my money back calling Chase and stuff like that, so it worked out great. But if I didn't have that ability, man, I'd be so screwed. So it just, trusting some of the people and stuff like that is a big manner, and you're gonna notice it through a lot that you're gonna meet some people who are very sketchy. Then the other tip that I have is, when you have your shoe, don't go straight to StockX. The majority of the people always ruin the market by going to StockX and completely just shattering the entire thing. You don't want to do that. You're killing the resale game just by even doing that, and just wait a little bit. If you need the money, then yeah, go ahead, resell it on the same day if you have to. But do it in person. That's how you make more profit. Sell it on OfferUp. Use your Instagram page to create something. Ship it to your friends and stuff like that. Use PayPal. Use a payment. There's always some type of way to make the payment, whether it's Quick Pay, OfferUp, Cash App, or just straight up cash, meeting in person. Just stuff like that. That's how you're gonna increase more of your money. In regards to like you selling it on eBay for a certain percentage being taken away, or StockX, where a lot of people just take advantage of that and don't care about losing $30. And I hate doing that. So I join Facebook groups. Like I said, I'm from Chicago, so I have a big group called Cream. Cream is like a big sneakerhead community where we all sell our items and stuff, or exchange or trade and stuff, and we just keep it local. But it's stuff like that. Then if you guys don't have the money, like I said, just keep on saving up. There's always opportunities out there. I'm very thankful to get into the groups that I am in now. Like for example, I'm in a Discord group. I'm actually in a couple called AM Notify. I'm in the NSV one, which had the monitors on there too. If you guys don't know what monitors are pretty much like, um, they just pretty much scan the entire websites that restock items, and you get notified quick. It just really depends on how fast your speeds are for the monitors and stuff like that. And yeah. Then obviously you guys want to also invest in getting into a server, depending on where you're located. Servers supposedly make your internet a lot more faster and connected to the store directory and stuff like that. So that helps a lot. And then obviously proxies, they mimic or make it seem like you have more than one computer. That way you don't get IP banned, like I explained in the first video that I made. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. And then there's people out there that do tutorials, not just me, who show you how to set up bots, and that's what I've been doing for the most part, showing you guys on the AIO bot. I still haven't gotten a hold of the V2 yet. I'm looking forward to doing that maybe next week. Like I said, it's an investment. I do believe it's like $300 and something, but it's something that I believe will work and is gonna be good. So just stuff like that, because honestly, guys, in reality, technology has been advancing so quickly that there's no such thing as manually copying. And if you do, then you either A, get very lucky, or you have some really fast, serious speed of internet. So just stuff like that, like I don't know, it just increases your chances of getting a bot, and I think it personally works out best, especially if you're away from your computer. Then you're able to catch restocks when you're just literally doing some other stuff away from your computer and stuff. So that always helps. Anyways, guys, this was my friendly tips of how to become a reseller part 2. And I hope you guys enjoyed this episode number 2. And if you did, make sure you guys leave a comment down below. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, make sure you drop them down, like I said. And most importantly, you're new to my channel. My name is Izzy. I do tutorials, show reviews and stuff of the actual shoe that I cop. And trying to help you guys out as much as possible. Anyways, guys, like I said, make sure you guys subscribe, and thank you for watching my video. Make sure you share it with your friends if you found it was helpful and it inspires you to do something more, that'd be great. Alright, guys, I'm out, and I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.